10 lines on outdoor games. The games that we play in the open air or outside the house are called outdoor games. Outdoor games we can play with friends or family members. Outdoor games are entertaining and healthy for children. Some outdoor sports include cricket, football, hockey, tennis, etc. All these sports strengthen our muscles and bones. It helps us to remain mentally and physically fit. Outdoor play makes us active and enhance our creativity. All outdoor games help us learn the importance of teamwork. Playing outdoor games is a type of physical exercise. These sports reduce our stress and refresh our minds and body.